Well, good day everyone and welcome to the show. Today we've got a special one for you and we have a special guest.
Again.
That's right. Let's jump to our special guest.
Hello, boys and girls. Once again, thanks to Dean and Fernando for having me back on the show to do another list with them.
So the reason why we have Jason on the show today is because we're gonna do the top 3 techs.
Yep.
Or just basically the top techs, because believe it or not, it's hard.
Yes.
You know, innovation, especially in this industry,
Yep.
it takes a long time. You know, when you're sitting back and I was sitting back and we were comparing notes, it's like, no, that came out last year. No, that came out the year before. Because we wanted to talk about Amp Pro.
Yep.
But Amp Pro, even though we've just gotten new ones, we're getting new ones, it's not a new technology anymore. It's actually like 2 years old.
Right. Yes, correct.
We can't talk about Amp Pro because it's not a new tech, even though it is cool, like the GM version of it that just came out is new tech, for GM.
But that was before.
Yeah, Ford and Chrysler have had it for a while.
Yep.
Wink. We have to talk about new tech.
Right.
Let's let Jason talk about it for a minute.
Dean called me up, asked me to come up with 3 innovative items this year. That's actually tougher than you think this year, but I did come up with 4.
Oh, look who's the little overachiever.
Exactly.
What the heck, man?
Now, I'm not going to put these in any particular order, but here we go. So the first one I could think of was the Alpine Halo 9. It is the first tablet-style radio in a single DIN chassis. Definitely an innovative product this year.
Well, technically, the Halo, that was not the first one.
I believe, though, it was the first one from a company like Pioneer, Alpine, Kenwood.
Okay.
One of the bigger companies. We know that other company came out with that 10-inch one. I think this is the first time it's...
They actually do CarPlay.
You know, because let's be honest, hey, you know, the MP3 player existed long before the iPod, but for some reason, history always tells it as the iPod was the MP3 player.
Correct.
So I'm gonna give him that one.
No, definitely.
So do you have one?
I have one.
What do you got?
I'm gonna get with the kicker key.
Ooh, the kicker key.
Yes.
So there again, it's not the fact that it is a DSP EQ amplifier, because we've got those.
Yes.
It's all 3 of those plus auto setup.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's small, right there.
Very good.
Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, that was a good one.
Yeah.
I don't have anything near as good as that one. What I do have, though, is something similar to that, which is the D4800 from Audio Control. You know, the LC 4800 has been out for a while.
Yeah.
What made that make my list is a couple things. For one, though it's not a new feature this year, is the dual inputs for front.
Yep.
So you have front tweeter, front mid, or whatever, with blending. That was on the LC.
Yes.
But it has the DSP built into it.
Yeah.
What made this on my list was, this is the one amplifier that you can put in any situation.
Correct.
You can go high level, you can go low level, you can go into a deck, you can go out of a deck, you can pretty much sell this and not have to worry about, do I have to do summing? What is there? You know,
no. It's right there.
Yeah.
One, like all in one. Yeah.
Now, if it had kicker key features like in auto, that would be neat, but it doesn't. But hey, beggars can't be choosers, and that was mine. Let's jump back to Jason.
So the second one I could think of is an HD touchscreen. They came on 2 of Kenwood decks this year, the DDX 9905S and the DNX 995S. In my opinion, the innovative product from Kenwood next year needs to be an HD camera to go with it.
No, that ain't gonna happen. Dream on. So I also had this one on my list too. There again, I know what you're thinking. Is this really innovative to put a high resolution 720 screen on a deck? No, we're at 4K at home now.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, for a company to take the initiative to go ahead and make that, that takes a lot. And for them to actually just do it.
Yeah.
I mean, because we've been asking for it and you've been asking for it for years and years and years.
Definitely. Like everybody's been asking for a nice clear screen so they can see it, they don't see glare and
dude. And I have to tell you, after having it in my car, I was sad to see it go, but it had to go.
But that's a good one. That is
the glare. There's no glare. There's no glare. It's a beautiful screen. So yeah, that got mine too. What do you got?
So my number 2, that's the audio control Bluetooth dongle.
That's not here yet.
Exactly.
We didn't get a demo of it.
It's still like it's
gonna be a cool piece. nice.
It's gonna be a cool piece, and
I don't even know if that's gonna be able to count go because I don't
why
think it's
not?
gonna ship before 2019 at this rate.
Well, we had the product. I saw the prototype, so
if it's in prototype, it counts.
it counts
Okay.
because it's in there.
So that's it, that's the official word. If it's a prototype, it counts, which is going to be important. Let's jump back to Jason.
So the next innovative product I came up with was wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This was probably the biggest innovative product this year. Of the manufacturers we carry, there were 3. You could get Apple CarPlay on the Alpine ILX 107. You could get Android Auto wirelessly on Kenwood's DMX 905S, the DDX 9905S, and the DNX 995S. And if you want both, there's only one that I know of, and that's Pioneer with their 4400 and 8400.
Well, I hate to say it, but Jason and I were in tune on this one. We got 2 the same. Mine was also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay.
That was mine.
Was it yours?
Yeah, definitely.
You know, sad to say that in this industry, a feature that wasn't really invented by this industry is getting this award. You know, the evolution of CarPlay and Android Auto, this was the natural evolution of it because everyone has been asking for this since the day it arrived.
Yeah.
Why can't I do this over Bluetooth?
Yeah.
Because it takes Wi-Fi. Why can't I do it over Wi-Fi?
And people get
because you have the wrong
confused about
phone.
Wi-Fi. People get confused about Wi-Fi.
We don't even want to get into the whole Wi-Fi thing on this.
No, not even a Bluetooth stuff.
Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly was definitely a big deal this year. Now, some of you out there are going to be like, well, you know, it kills the battery and all that, but, you know, I had it in my car for 4 months. I never had a problem. It worked great.
Yeah.
It was perfect. For what I used it for, it was phenomenal. I don't have it in there now,
And I believe,
kind of miss it.
And I believe that you go 30 minutes, you know,
you're not
whatever.
Gonna
you're not gonna kill your phone.
Yeah.
And it's awesome to have wireless CarPlay.
Oh,
or
plus
Android
now
Auto.
you can get a charge pad.
Yeah. You
literally
just put it in there.
Yeah,
It's
great.
gone. Awesome.
Wireless is the way to go for sure.
Yep.
Jason had an extra one.
Yeah.
Because he's a little overachiever.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and play that.
So this is a last minute addition to my list. It's the audio control dmrta. Is it innovative? Oscilloscopes have been around for years, RTAs have been around for years, voltmeters have been around for years. But for the first time, somebody took it all, put it in one box. The user interface, the way they make it work, makes it truly innovative this year. You can buy one product to do multiple options and do it very easily.
He must be talking about this guy right here.
That's not fair. We say 3, not 4, man. Anyway,
So,
that is cool.
The reason why I was giving you such a hard time about, you know, as long as it's in like prototype form, you've seen it, was because this is a prototype. This is a beta. So we do have a dmrta. If you want to know more of what this is because you have no idea, we did a great video about it a couple days ago. Yes, this is going to be a really slick tool going forward into the future. This with a laptop and a microphone. Wait a minute, isn't that a song? 2 turntables and a microphone. 2 laptops and a microphone.
But
there's actually a picture of that on Instagram. But yeah, this guy here, this is going to be the tool of the future for sure. It's going to make our lives a lot easier.
With the Bluetooth dongle.
That plugs in right here.
Yes. There you go.
Hey.
See?
Awesome.
I told you guys, you just have to wait.
All right, guys, so this was our top tech for 2018. Let's join Jason again real quick to end the show for us.
Thanks again for Dean and Fernando for having me on. I love doing these videos with them. And if you want to support them, become a Patreon member. Buy a t-shirt from Teesprings. Or stop by dnftooldrower.com. If you want to see what I'm up to, check out Stereo King on YouTube. And as always, have a great day.
All right, guys, you have a great day as always.
On to the next one, guys.
Bye.